Welcome to the channel where we break down the challenges and opportunities in renewable energy projects. Today we will talk about the financial and operational risks in BESS projects and how to mitigate them to ensure success. In this image, we present how BESS systems are integrated into solar energy projects. The combination of storage and renewable generation allows for greater flexibility and cost-effectiveness, but also introduces unique challenges. PV plus BESS projects face both opportunities and risks, from high upfront costs to operational issues that can affect long-term profitability and viability. This image details the main financial risks, such as high upfront costs, CapEx, spot market volatility, and dependence on government incentives. For example, the high upfront costs associated with the acquisition of batteries and EMS systems represent a significant barrier. In addition, the variability of electricity prices can directly impact project revenues. It is critical to analyze these risks at the outset of the project to design a financial strategy that minimizes exposure to market fluctuations and changes in government policies. This image addresses the most critical operational risks: battery degradation, technical failures, security risks, and network integration issues. Battery degradation affects operational capacity over time, increasing replacement costs. Also, technical failures and risks such as overheating require advanced monitoring systems and constant maintenance. For example, a poorly managed BESS system can face costly downtime due to technical problems, drastically reducing project profitability. Key strategies to mitigate risks, such as revenue diversification, preventive maintenance, and use of specialized insurance, are presented in the image. Diversifying revenue sources through long-term PPAs and ancillary service markets can reduce dependence on the spot market. In addition, preventive maintenance programs extend battery life and reduce unexpected operating costs. Implementing specialized insurance to cover physical damage and financial risks provides an additional layer of security, especially in volatile markets. Today we analyze the main financial and operational risks in BESS projects, from high upfront costs to degradation issues, and how to mitigate them with key strategies. If you are ready to optimize your projects and overcome these challenges, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together we can design solutions that maximize your revenues and ensure the success of your renewable energy projects. Don't miss this opportunity.